Let's learn about types. All values in Python have a type. The 5 basic types are integer, float, string, Boolean, and none. There are many other types you will learn about later. Types control what you can and cannot do with things. We know that a number is a number because we can add it to another number, or subtract it, or multiply it. We can add two strings together, but we cannot subtract them. This is one reason why a string and a number are different. Integer types are whole numbers. They include both negative and positive numbers, so there are a lot of them. Integer is often shortened to int for convenience. When numbers have decimals, we call them float types. The period is what distinguishes floats and integers. Remember, if a number has a period in it, then it is a float. Textual data is represented using string values. The tricky thing about strings is that anything can be stored as a string. The only thing that makes it a string is the quotes. A special case is the empty string, which is a pair of quotes with nothing inside. String is often shortened to str for convenience. Surprisingly often in programming, we are faced with yes or no values. These are referred to as Boolean values. Specifically, we have a true and a false value. Note that the T and F are capitalized and that there are no quotes around the words. Boolean is often shortened to bool for convenience. Sometimes you need to represent the absence of value, which we call none. The none type is a special type that has only one value, which is also named none. The none type can be hard to wrap your head around, but it doesn't come up too often. For now, just remember that it has a capital N and no quotes.